All right, so here we go. I got my Lloyd mats in. I first ordered this mat, right, for my 99 Viper, which is the beach color, which is the closest to the cognac mat, the original mats out of my Viper. And they match pretty good, but not exactly. So I put them in there, and they really didn't, look that bad. But I called up the Lloyd's representative and was like, hey, maybe I'll just go with the black mats, right? Because the cognac is two-tone. We have, black accents on the steering wheel. So I'm like, let's just do that. So I got the black mats in, and I'm super, super happy with them. But overall, these things are super high quality, super thick, sticky rubber on the back so they're not going to slide around. One thing you will notice is that they aren't the same shape, which is a good thing, right? So it's a little tough getting them in. But once you get them in, I mean, they're really in there. They're not going anywhere. So that's why they oversized these. And it was great because these original ones kind of slid around, but that's not a problem anymore. So I'll get them in and I'll show you what they look like. So here are the original mats, the cognac mats in the car. This is just kind of like a base point of what they looked like before. So you see a lot of the extra space up here around the pedals. This thing can slide around pretty easy, get jammed up in there. So I'll show you what the Lloyds look like. Right, so here we are. This is my first order, the beach colored mats for my 99 Viper. Now you can see, contrasting to the original mats, you can see how much higher they go up beyond the pedals there. I mean, this thing is, you could shake it, it's not going anywhere. It was kind of tight to get in there, but once it's in there, it's not going anywhere. It really doesn't look that bad in there. In the direct sunlight, if you're really looking at it, I'm kind of like, yeah, it doesn't match. And here we are. Here's the black mats. And this is not the darkest black that they had. They had another darker black than this one. And some guys on the forum said that it was, actually too black for the black interior of this car. But you know what? This looks great. I'm gonna, hopefully we can stay focused here, but it matches the whole kind of contrast of the interior. We got the cognac and then we got the black. Yeah, I'm super happy with these. Top-notch build quality. These things are gonna last forever. Again, look how high up that goes on the pedals versus what the originals look like. And I kept the red emblem. This is a Mopar emblem. It came with some verified Mopar, licensing on it. So yeah, great product overall. I recommend Lloyd's. These things are gonna probably last me for the rest of the car's life. So there it is.